Mark Zuckerberg is doing something that makes absolutely no sense. Meta just spent billions of dollars building Llama, one of the most advanced AI models in the world, and then they gave it away for free. Completely open source, anyone can download it, anyone can use it, anyone can modify it, for free. OpenAI charges for ChatGPT, Google charges for Gemini, Anthropic charges for Claude. Every AI company is trying to make money from their models. Except Meta. Meta is giving theirs away. Wall Street analysts called it a mistake. Competitors called it desperate. But here is what nobody understands. Mark Zuckerberg is not losing money by giving away AI. He is executing the most brilliant competitive strategy in the history of artificial intelligence. And it is working. In February 2023, Meta released Llama 1, a large language model that competed with GPT-3. They gave it away for free to researchers. The AI community was confused. Why would Meta build expensive AI and then not charge for it? Then in July 2023, Meta released Llama 2, more powerful, more capable. And this time, they made it completely open source. Not just for researchers, for anyone. Startups could use it, developers could use it, even Meta's competitors could use it, for free. Then in April 2024, Meta released Llama 3, even more advanced, competing directly with GPT-4 and Google Gemini on many benchmarks. And again, completely free and open source. Meta has now spent an estimated $10 billion developing Llama, and they have made $0 in direct revenue from it. Every other AI company is building closed models and charging subscription fees. Meta is doing the exact opposite, and Mark Zuckerberg is not done. He recently announced Meta is building a massive AI infrastructure with over 600,000 GPUs. That is more computing power than almost any other company on Earth. All to build AI models they will give away for free. This looks insane, but it is not. It is genius. And here is why. Meta is not trying to make money from AI models. Meta is trying to destroy the business model of every AI company that wants to charge for AI. Think about it. If you are a startup and you need an AI model, you have two options. Pay OpenAI $20 per month for ChatGPT Plus, or download Llama 3 for free. Both models perform at similar levels on many tasks. Which one do you choose? If you are a developer building an AI application, you have two options. Pay Google for API access to Gemini, which costs money with every request, or use Llama 3, which you can run on your own servers for free. Which one do you choose? Meta is commoditizing AI. They are turning AI models into a free utility that anyone can use, and in doing so, they are making it nearly impossible for competitors to charge premium prices. OpenAI's entire business model is based on charging for access to their models. Google's AI strategy depends on selling cloud compute and API access. Anthropic charges for Claude. Microsoft charges for Copilot. All of these companies need AI to remain a scarce, valuable resource that justifies high prices. Meta is flooding the market with free AI and destroying that scarcity. If everyone can access powerful AI for free, why would anyone pay for it? This is the same strategy Meta used to destroy Snapchat. Snapchat invented stories. Meta copied stories and gave it away for free on Instagram and Facebook. Snapchat's growth collapsed. Meta won. Now Meta is doing the exact same thing with AI, but here is the truly genius part. Meta does not need to make money from AI models, because AI models are not Meta's product. AI models are Meta's infrastructure. Meta's real products are Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and the apps billions of people use every day. Meta makes money from advertising on those platforms, over $100 billion per year. AI makes those platforms better. AI powers the recommendation algorithms that keep people scrolling. AI generates personalized ads. AI moderates content. AI translates languages. AI creates features like Meta AI chatbots embedded directly into WhatsApp and Instagram. Every improvement in AI makes Meta's platforms more engaging, which means more users, more time spent, and more ad revenue. Meta benefits from better AI whether they sell the AI or not. So why not give it away and destroy their competitors' business models at the same time? And there is another layer. By making Llama open source, Meta gets thousands of developers and researchers around the world improving the model for free. People find bugs. They optimize performance. They create new use cases. They build tools and applications on top of Llama. All of that work flows back to Meta. Meta is crowdsourcing AI development. They get a global army of contributors working to make Llama better without having to pay them. OpenAI has to pay all their researchers. Meta gets free labor from the open source community. There is one more strategic advantage. Meta is building an ecosystem. Right now, tens of thousands of developers are building applications on top of Llama. Startups are using Llama as their foundation model. Businesses are integrating Llama into their products. Every one of those developers becomes dependent on Meta's AI ecosystem. If Llama becomes the default open source AI model, Meta controls the standard. They set the architecture. They influence the direction of AI development. Even though it is open source, Meta remains at the center. This is what Google did with Android. Google gave Android away for free. Apple charges for iOS. But Android now runs on over 70% of smartphones worldwide. Google does not make money from selling Android. They make money from Google Search, Google Maps, and Google services running on those Android devices. Meta is doing the exact same playbook with AI. And here is the kicker. By giving Llama away for free, Meta is accelerating AI development across the entire industry. Better AI benefits Meta because Meta uses AI to improve their core products. The faster AI advances, the better Meta's platforms become. So Meta has an incentive to make AI progress as fast as possible, even if it means helping their competitors. This is also a direct attack on OpenAI. OpenAI's valuation is $157 billion, based on the assumption that they can charge for access to the best AI models. But if Meta releases models that are almost as good for free, OpenAI's pricing power collapses. Why would a business pay thousands of dollars per month for GPT-4 API access when they can download Llama 3 for free and run it themselves? Some businesses will still pay for OpenAI because of convenience, support, or slight performance advantages, but many will choose free. Meta is not trying to beat OpenAI by building better AI. They are trying to beat OpenAI by making AI free. And that is a game OpenAI cannot win, because OpenAI needs to charge to survive. Meta does not. Mark Zuckerberg recently said in an interview that closed AI models are a threat to the open internet. He framed open source AI as a moral mission. But make no mistake, this is business strategy disguised as ideology. Meta benefits enormously from commoditizing AI. So is Meta losing money by giving away AI? Absolutely not. They are investing money to destroy their competitors' business models, accelerate their own product development, and position themselves as the foundation of the AI ecosystem. In 5 years, if Llama becomes the dominant open source AI model, Meta wins. Developers build on their platform. Businesses depend on their tools. And Meta's core products, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, become more powerful because they are built on cutting-edge AI that Meta developed and the world improved. Meanwhile, OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic have to compete by either lowering prices, which hurts their revenue, or keeping prices high, which loses them market share to free alternatives. This is not charity, this is war, and Meta is fighting it brilliantly. The AI industry thought the game was about who could build the best model and charge the most for it. Meta changed the game. They decided the winner would be whoever makes AI free first. Mark Zuckerberg is not giving away AI because he is generous. He is giving it away because it destroys his competitors, strengthens his core business, and positions Meta as the foundation of the AI future. It looks crazy, but it is genius. Do you think Meta's strategy will work or will it backfire? Drop your take in the comments. I am Shadowtech, and I will see you in the next one.